this is what I'm gonna wear today. This shirt and these black stack pants that I got from Shein. And then I'm installing a new wig. This is the wig I just had on. And excuse my baby, they're gonna see me clean that up. This is the wig I just had. Yeah, but it's old. I mean, not old. I'm gonna wash it up and wear it again, but not right now. Wrong time to be washing it, but I ain't yet installing it. But this is the wig I'm about to put on. It's actually much longer than what it looks. It's just this really detailed curl. But yeah, so this is the outfit for today. And everybody who knows me knows I'm gonna either put on my slides with it, which probably won't look right. So I'm wearing my black Crocs. But yeah, so y'all tune in because I'm about to clean, but I'm about to like mute it because I'm about to play some music. To be exact. My music. I have to be ready by 4 o'clock. It is 3:31. Wednesday, March 2nd. And I look like a mess, but it's okay. So I'm just making up my bed, cleaning it off so I can have a fresh, clean bed when I do my hair or whatever. And when I get ready and get out the shower and stuff. Now I'm carrying my way to the bathroom. I'm finna put it on. I was talking, but y'all cannot hear me because I had the music so loud. I don't know why. But anyway, I put the wig on. I'm gonna flip it back. I'm not putting the cap on because I'm doing it the fast way because I was in a rush. I said I had to be ready by 4, and it was past 4 at this point. But y'all see that later. Now I'm just adjusting the wig, and then I'm gonna use the hot comb to comb back the baby hairs and all the little flyaways so I don't get glue on it. Now I'm gonna use the styrofoam to like push the hairs back even more. And y'all bear with me, I'm not used to always talking. But then after that, I'm gonna flip it back and I'm gonna use the edge control to push my edges back out the way so I don't tie that up with the wig and then end up cutting my edges off when I take the wig off. Or if the wig come up. Cause you need your edges, sisters. Cause girl. Okay, now y'all finna see me use the comb cause my edges is nappy. So I need to comb them back, not just brush them, I had to comb them back. I pulled the wig back a little bit further so I can put more edge control all over my hair because my hair is nappy and my edges, y'all. So bear with me, please. So now I'm finna put makeup on a sponge that is, yes, already dirty because I used it already. And so I put makeup on a sponge and it's a lot, but I want it to look good. So, and it still look good at the end. So say what you want. I flip it over my head and I adjust it until it looks right to me. And I'm putting the combs in the back of my head now. And now I'm gonna use mousse to comb back the flyaway hairs again. Now I'm clipping each side of the hair back with these pink pins that came with the wig. Well, one of the wigs I got. Don't know which one. Now I'm spraying it with Got to Be Spray. And yes, I know y'all like, girl, you're still using that? Yes, girl, I'm still using that. I'm gonna use the other stuff eventually, but I'm like, be scared to use new hair products, kind of. So y'all recommend me what y'all use in the comments. So after I combed it back and like fit it around my ear, I had sprayed it with Got to Be Spray, and then I blow dried it. And you can see me pulling a wig down over some of my forehead. And yes, I'm covering most of my forehead because y'all, I got a lot of forehead, so sometimes I need to cover it up. Now I spray Got to Be Spray on the other side of my head and blow dry, and I'm gonna continue to do that until I'm satisfied. Hey y'all, I'm back. I'm using a scarf to melt my lace by like tying it down, and I'm gonna leave it down for a little bit, like very little bit, because I was in a rush. Okay, I'm tying my hair up very aggressively because I'm about to get in a shower. And then y'all gonna just see me when I'm out of the shower. So as you can see, it's 4:12. And I said I need to be done by 4. But I just got out of the shower. And that's not the outfit I said I was gonna wear. That's just the outfit I'm getting ready in. I promise you, I do not know what that was. I do not know what that was. I'm using my fingers to comb back the hair, and then I'm gonna do my part. At first I was doing a side, but then I changed it. Now I'm using the hot comb to kind of like flatten out the hair a lot because it's very poofy. And I didn't like that little hump at the top of my head. I'm straightening up the part now because I know it was not straight. And yes, y'all, I know I still got a lump in my head. I'm gonna take the 2 pink clips again and pull back both sides of my hair out the way. Okay, so at this point, I had cut the lace, but I like cut all that out because this video was so long, y'all. Y'all was gonna be bored. At this point, y'all, I was just trying to get the fit around my ear. That's all. And I was really cutting aggressively. It looked like I probably cut my face into it, and I did. So I finally got it to fit around my ear. And then, as you can see, boom, melted. Now it's time to do the other side. So I use the razor once again and cut. I was lifting the excess lace up so I can cut it and it won't cut my face. This was another I don't know moment. I was just feeling the music, I guess. I used my magical doodle to put some glue on my face and my lace so it can be melted. Now I'm blow drying my hair so my wig won't fall off. Just blow dry it for a while, like a little minute, until like it doesn't feel wet anymore or movable. There were still pieces of my lace that were sticking up, so I took my Got2b glue and applied it. I did blow dry it, but I didn't get it on camera. And that's the end. I did the rest of the wig off camera, like the styling, but I'm gonna show you guys pictures at the end of the video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. Peace.